What's up, guys? So I have to apologize. You're about to watch this video and it's probably gonna make not much sense to you. I started part 2 of this video back in May. Got a lot done, but at the same time, a lot of personal stuff like catch up with me and whatever that I had to deal with. So I ended up doing a lot of work off camera. So that's why when you watch this video, it probably won't make any fucking sense. But for that, I apologize. You know, making these YouTube videos is still something that it's a bit of a challenge, because like when I want to do something, I just want to get it done. But when you want to film it, it takes up that much more time. You know, you're setting up the camera placement. Is the audio good? Well, the audio at this point, it is what it is. But like lighting, this, that, and everything else like that. So I apologize in that regard. So this video probably won't make much sense, but I hope you enjoy it, and make sure to like, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's see if we can get this thing running. So I'll see you guys later. Enjoy the video. What's up, everybody? So it's been a few days now, just waiting on paint. Actually, I think it's been roughly about a week. So today we're gonna paint the block. We're gonna first go on about cleaning the rest of the block and the head, and once I get that done, I'll bring you guys out again, and we'll show you what color we're going with. Really excited for this. I've been waiting for this paint for a little while now, and it's finally here. It's showing up. So I'm actually gonna put the camera back inside and put it on charge, because the battery's about half dead or so, and I don't want to start recording and do a whole bunch of shit and then have the battery just die on me. So I'm gonna get to cleaning the rest of this, and then once it's all clean, I will tape up what needs to be taped up, and then when I'm ready to paint, I'll bring you guys out again and I'll show you what we're dealing with. So let's get after it. So I have a slight issue. The weather's not looking so hot right now, and it started spitting earlier, not that long ago. So trying to decide whether I should just cover everything up for now and try again once the rain stops, or do I just go for it? Because like I said, it's only been spitting, and it's, as of very recently, just stopped. So I wish I had a fucking garage. Oh well. Let me think about what we're gonna do here before I just start going for it. So give me a sec. Well, after looking at the weather report, it says that it's not supposed to rain till 10 o'clock tonight. So the clouds don't look too promising. I think we're gonna try to send it and see what happens. So the color that we got, for those who guessed, I doubt anyone did, but for those who did guess, the color we're going for the block is Detroit Diesel Green. Why? I like the color, and I have yet to see this color on a Cummins, probably for obvious reasons, because it's not a Detroit Diesel. But I'm doing this, like I said, I'm doing this for me. I really don't care what anyone else thinks. And yeah, so we're just gonna fucking send it and see what happens. So let's do it. Well, against my better judgment, it's starting to rain. But on the other hand, I did get the block semi-painted. Not too bad. And then got a couple more pieces on top of the old fucking 5.9. But I stopped because the rain now is starting to get semi-heavy. Big drops and shit. And quite frankly, I'm not too fucking happy about it. So we're gonna hold off on it for now, and hopefully it doesn't stick around for much longer. But yeah, worst case, we'll have to redo it all over again, which sucks because I only bought 2 cans and I'm already through one, or almost all the way through fucking 1 can. So a little upset, but could be worse, I guess. Fuck, I should have just waited. Oh well, I did it to myself. I can't blame anyone else but myself. So, here we go. What's up, guys? So it's a new day, about a week later from where I last left off, and today we are going to try our leak down method. We are going to block off each injector line one at a time and try cranking on it, seeing what happens. This is a good way to figure out what injector is leaking. So we took our old line and I just went to a weld shop because I don't have a welder, and it cost me like 20 bucks to get this thing fucking welded on. It's just a little jobby, whatever, but it's an old line. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take a line off our rail and we're gonna plug this down in on top of it, and then we're gonna try to crank it and see what happens. And if it cranks, and if it fires, rather, because it's gonna crank, it's a matter of, not matter of cranking, it's a matter of firing. So if it fires, then whatever injector that we blocked off is the one that we're gonna have to replace. So I think I need a 19 mil wrench, and then we're gonna pop this thing off and get after it. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get her going. Okay, not sure how well you guys will be able to see, but I realized I was being, Jesus fuck. I realized I was being stupid and probably should crack the line at the bottom of the rail to see if we're even getting fuel to the rail. So if we're not getting fuel to the rail, then that tells us that this here injection pump is well shot. So guy's gonna have to crack on this thing a bit. Oh my goodness. More. That should be enough. One more just in case. All right. I'm gonna try to get on that. I'm gonna crank on it. You guys let me know if there's any fuel coming out. I love troubleshooting. I got my truck back, man. What does the survey say? Yeah, okay, it's bubbling. It means we're getting fuel. You can smell the diesel. Okay, so we've checked if we got fuel going to the rail, which we do. So our ejection pump is fine. I've already tested for injector 2. Injector 2 seems to be good. I just took off the injector line for injector 1. So we're gonna test on for injector 1 and then go down the fucking list and see what comes of it. So this will be fun. Beautiful day to live in Canada. Okay, so here's an update. Plugged off injector line number 3 and still nothing. So that gives me reason to believe it's either one of the other 3, so it's either 4, 5, or 6, or I'm missing something. There must be a ground I didn't connect, or there's something I didn't connect. Anyway, so I'm gonna figure that out. But before we go any further, unfortunately the batteries in the truck are starting to die. So I'm gonna plug in the charger. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple hours. We're gonna close up shop for now, and we'll try again in a couple hours or so, because I think it's probably around 1 o'clock now. Yeah, about 1:30, 1:21 to be exact. So I'll probably come out again at 3, and in worst case, if it's too cold or too dark by then, we'll call it for the day. What's going on, guys? So it's currently just after, it's about 3:15 now. I left you guys at 1:30. So I just came back out and I reinstalled the 3rd injector line and removed the 4th injector line, put the plug on injector 4 rail plug, I guess, or rail line, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Anyways, so put that on, took the battery off the charger. It says we're pretty well full. So let's hop in the truck, fucking turn key, and see what happens. So we gotta go on to number 5. Let's not waste any more time and let's crank on it. So I came out, just got out of the truck here, and I smelled something, and I'm looking and I see injector line number 6 is leaking. It should be, yeah, see that drop? Right about there? That's where number 6 should be. So because I'm smoking, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna finish this, and we're gonna tighten onto that and see what happens. You tighten on that, see what happens, and if it fucking lights off, then hey, cool. Then we know that it's injector number 4. that we might have to replace. And then just to confirm that, if it fires up at 5 cylinders, I'm going to put the other injector line back on and try it again. And if everything works, then we found our leak, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. But okay, so we just got number 6 tightened off. Still gonna keep the plug on number 4 for right now. I'm gonna try to crank over again, and if the light's off, sweet. If not, then we'll go to number 5 and so on and so forth. So let's hope we fix this. Hope we get this running, because this truck has been down since March, April of this year, or this past year so far. So it's been a while. It'd be nice to have my truck back. Okay, I'm not gonna waste any more time. We're just gonna get right at it here. What?
Yep. Just pouring out.
Oh shit!
Oh.
Sounded good though.
It did sound good.
Tap on?
Oh, you know what? Hold on.
A tapping? Yeah,
No. Oh, well, it runs.
Ran.
No, I think that might have been.
She smells dirty, Nigel.
No, I know. Okay, so here's the sit rep. So as you can tell, it runs. We have 2 issues. Issue number 1, we blew the serpentine belt off of the main accessory drive, and option number 2 is I was an idiot and I didn't bother to put a fucking oil filter on, nor a fucking the feed line for the turbo was off. I didn't plug them. I guess I was just so excited, or just trying to get it running, that I made a huge fucking mess. Exhibit A here. But on the plus side, we got it running. We got it fired up. So that makes life so much easier. Now I know what I need to do. I'll need to clean up that fucking mess, put an oil filter on. Haven't decided what I'm gonna do with, like, what you call it? Oh, excuse me, a dog hair in my fucking mouth. But I haven't fully decided on what I'm gonna be doing with force induction. There's a few ideas I'm flirting with, but it fucking runs. It fucking runs, and I couldn't be any fucking happier. Oh my god. So, watch and shoot. This is where I'm gonna end the video now, because I am just the excitement is killing me, and I think I need to just go fucking let loose, or not necessarily let loose, but I think I just need to relax and let the adrenaline fucking settle down a bit, because I don't know about you guys, but I'm fucking vibrating right now because I'm so excited. But yeah, no, we made a huge fucking mess, but that was only my own fault because I was an idiot. I didn't put down the fucking, I didn't put the fucking oil filter on, so obviously there's oil all over the fucking place. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow for the final installment, or not installment, but where we get everything buttoned back up and get this thing back on the road. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day. I'll see you guys later.